Hello and welcome to my channel. On this video I am going to talk about using the law of attraction to attract money and abundance. So this video is about the law of attraction in the sector of money. So first of all, of course, the things that we all know is that to attract money, focus on wealth, because it is impossible to bring more money into your life when you focus on the lack of it. So just focus on be grateful for what you have. You can live as a millionaire even without being one. For example, just doing some small things of the wealthy that the wealthy do. For example, a massage once a week. We all can afford it, it's not too much. Or maybe you can just buy an expensive piece of jewelry and just wear that all the time, just to get into that vibration. Then maybe if you really become rich, you can buy a lot of them and use all of them. But for the moment, just one, just to get into that vibration, can help. So there are some things that you can do. A weekly massage, eating out, things that you can afford to do even in your current state. Another important topic that I want to mention is that there are masculine and feminine ways of making money. The masculine is the structure, while the feminine is more about the enjoyment and the flow of it. Seeing other people in enjoyment is addictive for us. We absolutely love that. For example, let's say people who review products on YouTube. Some of them just mention the technical aspects of the product, even if, for example, it's a design bag or just something like that. They just mention the aspects of this is these centimeters long and technical aspects, while others just show themselves enjoying that product. The first is the masculine, the second is the feminine. But we absolutely love to see people just enjoying the things that they have. So if you want to just make more money, you can use that. You can blog or do videos on YouTube on your purchased products while showing complete enjoyment with them. Showing yourself in concrete, create a space of complete enjoyment, and use affiliate marketing to promote those products. Everything you buy, record yourself enjoying it and using it. So create this structure. Buy what you like, enjoy it deeply while creating content of yourself, deeply enjoying it and in your pleasure. People will buy it, seeing you in your divine femininity. And this way you will be able to make money with affiliate marketing. You make money with commissions, and it's the same as if you got the product for free. So that's why I will title this video something like how to use the law of attraction to get products for free. So you can just monetize your life. You can buy a product and record yourself enjoying it, or just blog about it, and it will be addictive for other people. If you are not making money while still promoting products, take into account that maybe you are not enjoying enough what you have. So when you buy something, really enjoy it. One time, for example, I want to share a story with you. One time I bought a portable bathtub. I just wanted it to try and just to do a bath, but I didn't have a bathtub, so I bought a portable one. And I in fact was having doubts about buying it or not, but in the end I ended up buying it. And after that I just recorded myself setting it up and while using it in my swimsuit and doing a bath with candles while also drinking wine. The sales of that product exploded, and I made more money than I had spent on buying that product. Can you imagine? And that was from affiliate marketing and from just enjoying what I had bought. So with just the art of attraction and gratitude and enjoying what you have, you can make back the money that you've spent buying something. So buy something and enjoy the hell out of it until you get it for free, because other people want to have what you have and they buy from your affiliate links. So I don't know in which business you are, but maybe this is the business of pleasure, and that's why I like so much affiliate marketing and love to promote the products that I have. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.